Revenues and expenditures, the two sides of a budget. The revenue side, of course, is an estimate of the amount of money you will be receiving in your school district. The expenditure side is your plan for spending that money. Now, while you're working with your administrative teams to develop the revenue side and the expenditure side, you will be working through a series of processes that will help you to, first of all, identify the needs of your hypothetical school district. What are your staffing needs? What are your supply needs? What are your material needs? And coming up with an ideal expenditure budget for that district. And then we'll see if your revenues can match that ideal expenditure amount. And if they don't, then we're going to have to do some juggling of money. And that's a process that every school district deals with almost everywhere. So it's a good experience to handle in this class with your administrative team. We will be using what I refer to as a parallel process. In most school districts, taking an ideal approach, you come up with your needs, and then you figure out your revenue and see how you can get your revenue up to the level of your needs. And realistically, you know what your needs are from year to year, and you evaluate those needs, but you know what your revenue is pretty close in the state of Montana. Some states, there's some real serious variables in there. When you fall short in your revenue, then it's time to become creative and look at how do I get the needed revenue, be it through fundraising, be it through grant writing. There's a lot of different ways that you can build up your revenue. In this class, we won't be dealing with the fundraising and grant writing. However, we will be looking at the comparison of our revenues with our expenditures and our expenditure needs, and doing what I refer to as a parallel process. You will be developing your needs while you are learning how to calculate your revenue. And then we will see how closely the two meet and see what we can come up with for a resolution of any disparity between the two. I hope you enjoy this process. It will be an interesting, albeit fast-paced process that should prepare you for a lot of the decisions that you will make from a financial standpoint as a principal.